Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Just look at how soft these idli are. Today, we are making this iconic combo, perfectly steamed idli and a tangy, spicy sambar. Ingredients for idli: urad dal, 1 cup, idli rava, 4 cup, salt, baking soda, pinch. Add urad dal to a bowl. Add water and soak for 2 hours. In a bowl add idli rava. Now, transfer the soaked dal to a blender. Use ice-cold water while grinding. Grind until it's smooth, airy, and looks like whipped cream. Mix your ground dal with idli rava. Mix well for 2 to 3 minutes until combined. Cover it and leave it in a warm spot for 8 to 12 hours. Look at that. After 10 hours, the batter has doubled in size and is full of air bubbles. That's the sign of a perfect ferment. Add pinch of baking soda and salt. Add water to idli pot and let it get warm. First, grease your idli plates generously with oil. This ensures they slide right out later without sticking or breaking. Pour the batter into the molds. Don't overfill them. Give a little tap on side to remove air bubbles. Steam these on medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. To check if they are done, poke the center with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they are perfect. Our idlis are ready. Let's start making sambar. Ingredients are as follows: tur dal, 1 cup, tamarind juice, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, salt, to taste, onions, tomato, 1 large, chopped, sambar powder, 2 to 3 teaspoon, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, adjust for heat, potatoes, small brinjal, jaggery, 1 small piece to balance the sourness, curry leaves, 1 to 2 sprigs. Idli are done. Now for the sambar. Drop a cup of tur dal into the cooker. In goes the tamarind juice, onions, tomatoes, and the spice squad, turmeric, salt, sambar powder, and chili powder. Don't forget the curry leaves and a nugget of jaggery for that sweet-sour balance. Stop. Leave the potatoes and brinjal out for this step. Trust me. Lid on. 3 whistles, and we are halfway there. Stay tuned. Once the pressure settles, open it up. Look at that. Now, take your whisk and gently mash the dal until it's silky and soft. You want it to blend perfectly with the tamarind and spices we added earlier. Now for the best part, the tadka. Into the hot oil go the mustard seeds, jeera, curry leaves, some chopped onions. We are sauteing our potatoes and brinjal in the tadka before they ever touch the dal. This gives them a golden crust and keeps them from getting mushy. Toss them until they are slightly tender and aromatic. This extra step makes all the difference. Look at that color, golden and glossy. Now, slide them into that mashed dal base. Perfection. Look at that texture. Our idli and sambar is officially ready. Seriously, you can almost smell it through the screen. Don't forget to like and follow for more recipes. Enjoy! Breakfast is served. Soft idli, flavorful sambar, and a whole lot of comfort in one bowl. The perfect way to start the day. Enjoy every bite.